My name is Jacob. I'm 24 and I am enrolled in the plumbing apprenticeship at the College of Southern Idaho. What led me to register for the apprenticeship program was my desire to buy a home and provide stability for my two younger brothers. I was renting a room from a gentleman at my church, and I was working at Walmart for part-time at Walmart for not enough money to pursue what I wanted to. You can't really grow at a fast pace in that kind of a job. Whereas when you go into an apprenticeship like this, you can find more value and versatility. It was great being the first one in my family to go to college, because my parents, they always told me that I would, but when I was 18 I didn't really think that I would. So getting to go to college and pursue an apprenticeship was great, and it allowed me to buy a house. The opportunities that coming to college have provided me for is I can go wherever I want, and I'll always have work. I never hurt for money, because now I have the means to make better money. I am able to do things that I never got to do when I was younger and never expected to do, like go on vacation. My favorite part of the program is getting to know all of the other people that are in it. They all have unique stories and unique circumstances, and I'm actually friends with quite a few of them outside of work now. I would tell somebody who's debating entering the apprenticeship program that they should research what they're getting into. And if they want to have a good income without debt, it's absolutely the way to go.